As you can see, what lace? What lace? Hey lovely, so today we're gonna do a little wig install and review with Luvme hair. Let's just get into this packaging. It's so pretty and cute. This nice secure box. The wig is packed up so nicely. They give you a little quote there. It's really just the aesthetic for me. You love to see a brand that takes pride in their packaging because it just speaks volumes when it comes to the product itself. So one thing I love about Luvme hair is that it literally comes with everything you need to get you started with wearing your wig out the box. So there's a nice mesh little bag that you can carry your wig in, a headband to secure your wig down. There's even some adhesive strips for more secure when you're going glueless. There's a little air freshener, which is so cute, and a little accessory to have in your bag, whether you use it for your wig or you use it in your house or your room or your car even. And most importantly, the wig caps. We need a wig cap. And I love the fact that their wigs come with wig caps because it's like the most important thing you need when starting to wear your wig. It even comes with a wig care guide and some wig issues you may possibly experience and how to treat and properly care for your wig, how to wash it, how to store it. Even if you're not happy with your wig out the box, you can also return it. So they have that policy and customer care that you can reach out to. But let's just get into this install. So today I'm working with the 22-inch AiryFit scalp care wig, and this is a comfortable fit and effortless water wave glueless 5x5 closure. This wig is also pre-cut lace, and we love that. So literally this is the kind of wig that you can take out the box and pretty much throw on and go. There may just be a little manipulation that you may have to do to it just so it kind of blends. But look at those curls. Look at these water curls. So good. So I mentioned the pre-cut lace. So it kind of has this ripple effect that kind of mimics a natural hairline. So you'll see when I put it on, it has the clamps inside. Look how stretchy that wig cap is. This is one of their newer kind of wigs. So this wig has 150 more space, and the cap adapts to fit effortlessly to any size head, whether big or small. And I'm a team big head girly, so this is something definitely for me. Look how breathable the cap is. You can see the lace portion as well as the mesh in the back of the wig, so you don't have to worry about overheating, even though we're now in the colder months, so that really shouldn't be an issue. But the wig overall is supposed to be just more comfortable, breathable, and also skin friendly. So before I usually get into my wigs, I start off with my wig cap, and I like to stretch it out just so it's not super tight on my head. I just want to show again the stretchiness of the wig cap. This is the back portion with the back clamp. Look how stretchy that is. It's perfect to adapt to your head because, you know, I like I said, I'm team big head girl. It also has this little band that you can use to secure the wig in place. I love when wigs have this feature because it's so easy to put on and just also hold it in place. Okay, so you can see the lace on the wig, but the lace is actually still really good. So realistically, after I secure the wig and get it into the place that I want it to be, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of some concealer just to put on the edges of the perimeter of the wig, just so it kind of blends with my skin tone. So I'm using a little bit of Fenty Beauty, the shade 20, because it's the one I always use. I usually use exactly what I use on my skin because you want it to blend seamlessly. So it only makes sense to use the shade that you normally use like on your face, obviously. So I just go around the perimeter of the wig just to kind of blend that color in, because I want to show you really how easy it is. I'm also just going to put some on the lace itself underneath, just so I can get that full look, seamless look on the wig, because sometimes when you just do it on the wig itself when you're wearing it, it's not gonna go on as easily. So I take the wig itself. Usually I use a brush. I don't have my brush at this time. I couldn't find it, but I just did a little bit of that just to smooth it out a little more, put it back on my head, and you can see the difference. The lace is definitely not as noticeable once you added that concealer to the hairline. Another thing that I love about this wig is that it doesn't have those annoying ear tabs that stick down in front of your ears, or like you only can wear your wig a certain way because those little tabs are sticking down and sometimes they bother your ears. This actually goes around. It has a curvature around the wig cap where it goes around. It's meant to go around your ears, so it has a snugger fit to your head. You can adjust that band that goes in the back, so if you need it tighter, if you need it looser, it really just forms to your head, and it's just so comfortable. It's like you're not even wearing a wig, essentially. I think that was the point of when they designed this, because that's how I feel when I have it on my head. So great. So now I'm going in with some edge control so I can lay these baby hairs down. And as you see, I didn't cut any baby hairs. The way the hairline is designed, it's meant to already kind of mimic that soft hair, baby hairs in your front. So you really just can just put some edge control on, brush it down, and you're pretty much good to go. Look how good and cute that looks. It's so pretty. And literally those baby hairs, I didn't cut at all. You just brush them and tuck them to the side. If you want to cut them, you can. Because sometimes I don't wear baby hairs when I wear wigs, so I like having the option of just brushing them away. So it's cool just to have, if you're going for the look. And I just wanted to show you because a lot of girls do wear it. So now let's get into this parting space. As I mentioned, it is a 5x5 parting space. So you're able to wear middle part or side parts, either on the left side or the right side. So I'm parting here just so I can show you that you can wear it as a little side part. Action. It's so cute. Really, this wig, since you have a natural curl, you really don't need to put much on it. Just some water to bring out those curls once you're combing it out. The water just does great. Or you can put a little bit of oil or some mousse just to bring out those curls a little more. So I'm going in again with some edge control, a little gel, just to slick those edges to make it a little more of a natural look, or just kind of the look you would wear every day. If you're an edge baby hair girl, go ahead and do your baby hairs. But again, I didn't cut that baby hair. Do you already see how the wig already is pre-plucked and kind of ready to go out the box? So I just add a little edge control, take my little edge control brush to like define the part a little more. And then I'm going to take the other side, the comb side, and slick down the edges so that I kind of have a little swoopy. And look how good that looks. Look how pretty, smooth, seamless that is. These curls are popping. We love them. Adding a little more water to define the curls for the finished and complete look. And voila, we are done. So remember I said this is a glueless wig. Look at that. Not glued down, and look how great that looks. Look at those edges. Look at the curls. You're really ready to go, and this took me less than 10 minutes to fully install. Great. Fabulous. Hey lovelies, so I just want to come on and say thank you for watching this video. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end. I really appreciate you. Please make sure you comment down the bottom to let me know what you think of this wig. Are we loving it? Because I'm loving it. I love the curl. I'm just here for the whole thing. It's such an easy install, as you can see, literally out of the box. Really didn't do much to it. You're going to put BB cream or makeup on anyway. I just added a little bit really to the perimeter of the wig, but the lace already was pretty good. It's just to fully balance it with my skin tone. As you can see, what lace? But it's a very easy install. I didn't have to cut. It already came pre-plucked, as I mentioned. Add a little gel to the edges, even your little baby hair action, just the hairline, the way it's plucked. It's very natural and easy to put on. This is like literally a no-brainer, and I don't have it glued down. As I showed you before, it's not glued down. I have nothing, and usually I don't use glue anyway. I use only like in a kind of a healthy or adhesive spray, but I'm not even using anything like a wig spray. Nothing. I could literally just rock out like this. And that's the point of me putting the little bit of the concealer-ish foundation on my lace, because so that I can literally just rock it glueless. Because I know a lot of girls out there are hesitant to wear wigs because they're not glueless, or they think they have to like hold it down. No, you can literally just do a little something to it and you're good to go. No glue, no adhesive. And you could just walk out, and very low maintenance as far as what you have to do to your wig. Granted, you wash it and take care of it. That's it. As far as the install, it's very simple, very easy. Luvme Hair is a great brand. I have plenty of their wigs. Most times you see me with a wig, it's a Luvme Hair wig. So definitely check them out. Links are included in the description box. And I hope to see you guys again for another video. Get ready for them holiday looks, because they're on the way. Okay, bye.